How does it look, guys? It's massive, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna keep this for ages, and this is gonna remind me of the time we went. Oh, you think it's the app, Mom? Oh wow! Where's the download the app?
I'm waiting in the line for the ride. Put it on for now. You're waiting in the line for the ride.
Yes, Dad. You have to download the app. Whoa! Look at the walls! Oh my God! Whoa! I feel like a Mario! Where? There's Yoshi! What? There's not Yoshi, there's Toad. What's the Toad's name? What are you so excited about? It's the Toad. That's not the Toad! The Toad's a favorite character! Okay. Dad, you have to QR code. And Princess Peach is coming soon. Now we have to go find the thing so we can punch it. We're gonna go wait in line for a ride. I want to wait on parents to download the app and scan the QR code so we can Where's the wait time? 15 minutes. Where are they? Oh. I got the power back. Okay. Whoa, the floor's like full of like pink. Oh, we're in Princess Peach. Yeah, there they are. Oh, Dad, I can't see anything. Help me. Whoa. It's because you download the app and scan the QR code. It's like Mirror Me. That's nice. Disneyland, 45 minutes for roller coaster for a minute. Oh. Oh my God, look how pretty this place is. Whoa. Really? Really? We could have saved time by just going up here, but no, we just have to go a long way. Where's the ride?
Where do we go?
Here. I know, it's like... I know. How in the... What? Well, where do we go now? Right in here. Yeah. That takes us around. That takes us around. Oh yeah, no, it takes us there. Why is this? It's like a Star Wars ride again.
It's going to be a long wait later. That's why we make it like this.
Huh? Whoa! This looks like a Mario. Huh? Whatever I put Mario, it's always like... Princess Peach! Princess Peach again, oh my God! Team Bowser, Team Mario. They must really hate each other. Okay, this is seriously the longest way in the world, but it's gonna probably be worth it. Not that I've seen this before. Oh, the bombs! Like a Mario Kart one. all the costumes. That's actually kind of cool. Thank you. We get to wear one. Oh, take one. Flip. Yeah, pink. Oh, on yours, wife? 4.
3 and 4 on the left, 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Three and 4. This is awkward. I need help. That's cool. How do you put this on?
Slide it under the rim.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh, how do I put this on? Okay, so that was actually kind of fun, not gonna lie. So, that's cool. Turn the hat. Do they look like little Mario? Hair and moustache. So damn like this. Oh damn it, I want to keep it. Thank you. I want to keep it.
Alright, where do we go? Oh, that way.
I thought I felt like I had a red mark on my head. This is Mario. I was so tight because I wanted it to cut. Whoa, okay, I'll look around in here. Sorry. So here's like pajamas, it's like it's hot. Over here a Mario beach towel with some tops, short, and it's a long sleeve and that short sleeve. There's just some cups, and these ones are cool because it has like glitter in them. Like it has 2 layers. Huh? $18. There's mugs, I don't know they're up there. Over here there's more mugs where you can get it with the color.
It is
So he's like, mugs is
$35.
The mugs are $15 each for a mug. And there's some also like a jumper, some shirts, hoodie. And behind you is some Stanleys that you can get. These aren't
Stanleys.
$45. So like a Mario Stanley and
Bowser stuff if you're a big fan of Bowser.
There's Universal like $24.
24.
Look at this.
Wow.
Water bottles there for $25.
How much?
25. I got the same set. Wait, stop. Guys, Dad, how will we tell the difference?
Cheaper than the other place.
What can I call it? They like sell these for like $10 maybe.
Cheaper than the other place.
There's also this coffee mug you can put your coffee in. Dad, you have one of. Dad, you can get this. It's only
cups,
$29.
Coffee cups.
Only.
$29 only.
Iron on sew on patches.
I'm getting
There's
this.
some
Look how
like
cute that is.
keychains.
Chains for $4.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a
But I'm not a big fan of Bowser, so bye-bye.
$39 for a hat, and I'll show you what the hat looks like. I'm washing my hair tonight anyway, so I don't really care. See what the hat looks like? Kind of comfortable, actually.
You got lots on me. Error.
How much are they?
35.
$39.
Only 39.
For a hat?
Light up ones, guys. Light up ones. That's actually kind of cool.
Oh, is it?
There's tote bags at the bottom here. Oh, look at that.
Is that cute?
Yeah.
Do it.
Connect it. $55.
Dad, you connect it?
Guys, I'm trying to see if my power up brand's working. Anyway.
I'm going.
There's also like, oh, there's like little plushies over there, like a plushie
The
keychain.
MCO T.
Those are always.
MJ.
Huh?
Okay, cool.
Oh, okay.
Mom.
That's pretty cool.
Oh my god! Over here, there's a cool stuff. Mom! Plushies, Mom?
This one is
Must be a man.
25, and this one is.
Open it.
Oh. This one is 23, Mom. Mom, this one's 23.
Open it.
If you want to take pictures of them, Mario and Luigi just came out.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mario and Luigi just came out. Bella? Where's Mario and Luigi? Where's Mario and Luigi? Is it then? Where are they? Oh, I couldn't. No.
Oh, where's my son?
Oh.
You're back.
I want to take a photo.
Then why not?
This is actually so fun. Imagine like this turtle game thing. We're gonna tap your bed, then you're gonna press it and the power, and you get push it and have it against the surface. If you're gonna go here, I've said it many times, but I highly recommend these because they're actually kind of cool. You can
What's in there?
you can make your own nickname as well. It's kind of cool. It really quick. We're gonna just tap 3 times. So and a lot of people, so it's really quick. I think a lot of people, so it's quick. There's not that much people, so it's quick.
Do you know how to play?
Yeah.
Do you know how to play?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. So the shell's going to be moving side to side, but you hit the block and it's going to send a chain down. So it's going to go out. That last block is supposed to send the shell. Good job. You got it.
Now what? Try attention.
First try. Underneath, is that me the Mario sign? You just look at it. Oh. Now. Wait, no.
Wait for it. Go.
Now.
Wait a second. I think you're ready. I'll wait. Wait. Go.
No, too late. Wait. Now. No.
We'll try again.
You just click it.
Get a winner. That's alright. We'll try again, man. I just want to take a photo.
There's a power stand thing. Is it not working or something?
Some of the bricks are out. Some of the bricks.
Where do you see that? There's none there. There's none there, man. Keep going. There's a lot more in here.
Some of the bricks. Oh, yeah.
It's there.
Oh, it's all done. We'll come back.
Let's go. Let's go wait in line. Mom, let's go wait in line. We enter with the exit.
That's amazing.
Really? Okay, so this may or may not be as fun as Disneyland.
Hey, Disneyland was way more fun.
I'm not sure. At the end of it, I'm going to actually tell you guys which one's actually the best one to go to. Whether it's Disneyland or Universal Studios.
Warner Brothers.
Yeah, all Warner Brothers. I'll tell you guys like my top favorite, like number 1 favorite, and 3 easily. So I'm going to tell you guys that.
This is all I can hear from you. Oh, yeah, yeah.
First, so so cool. And my mom's in line right now for Princess Peach. There's a bunch of little checkpoints everywhere around the map, so you can just be abandoned.
She gave me a high five for knowing what to do.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, I need one of you guys to start the game for me. Hit the key in the middle.
I'll do it. You said guys here.
Hit the key in the middle.
Madison, you guys take your list.
Now? Oh, now?
Yeah, now. Now, Bella.
I lost them all! Where is it? Oh my god!
Go ahead, let's go.
That was so close. Thank you for playing Dragon later.
Let's go.
That was fun.
For 2 seconds of it, yeah.
Here's your mom.
Where?
Okay.
It says Peach, so we're gonna collect power up. Sorry. Bands. Sorry.
Wanna go that
It
one?
works!
Wanna go that one? What?
650!
Calm down.
Okay, this guy's still through over there. Here, because